So 25 is a square number. Thank you. Zena?
Yes. Yes.
You heard the question or no?
Oh no, can you repeat it?
I said to Khaled, to you, to Omar, give me an example of a square number.
4.
4, because 4 is 2 multiply 2. Thank you so much, Zena. Omar Farouk.
Let's say 6 times 6. 6 for the number. So it would be 30. Oh, sorry, 36 for the square number.
So 36 is the
Square number.
Okay, let's do the same but different concept, like cube numbers. What are the cube numbers? What are the cube numbers? Well, I can build a table like this. Okay. And here we go. If you have the number, and the number, maybe it is, for example, 1, so you multiply it by itself 3 times, and the result is 1. Because 1 multiply 1 is 1, again multiply 1 is 1 also, so the cube number is 1. Okay, 2 multiply 2 is 8, so 8 is a cube number. 4 multiply 4 is 64. So 64 is a cube number. Zena, you understand? What is the
Yes.
cube number?
Yes.
Okay, now this is your turn now. I start with Zena. Zena, can you tell me an example of cube number? Yes, Zena?
Like, no, 1 and 2 and 4 are cube numbers.
Tell me an example of cube number.
The sum of 4 times 4 times 4 is a cube number.
Yes, you multiply it by itself 3 times. But give me a different
Okay, so
example.
8 is a cube number.
So look here.
Like 3 times 3 times 3. It's not?
Yes, it's 27. 27 is a cube number. Thank you so much. Khalid.
5 multiply 5 multiply 5, it will be 125.
Bravo. Omar. Bravo, Khalid. Omar.
Okay. Let's say 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 will be 216. And the 216 would be the cube number.
Good job. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Here we go. We have the square number and the cube numbers, and we're done. Now we have a task for you. Are you ready?
Okay.
Here, this is a question. Make a list of the first 15 prime numbers, the first square numbers, the first 8 cube numbers. Please solve in your copybook, and after you finish, you make a picture and send me WhatsApp, and you have like 7 minutes. You have to finish before 10 and 5. You solve the questions, and after you finish, send it to me in WhatsApp. You know my number, all of you? Okay. Khalid, you finish? Time is up.
I sent for you the solving the equation.
Time is over. Send me what you done. No time.
Mister, already I sent it.
Now?
I sent it.
Okay, okay. Let me check. Where?
WhatsApp.
Oh, I checked for you. Sorry, sorry. Omar. I'm sorry, Khalid. يا عمر.
It's okay.
فاروق.
أنا هنا. أنا بس كنت بكتب. أنا آسف بس مش عندي أي textbook ready. And I didn't have much time since it was only 7 minutes, so I used some papers if it's okay this time.
No problem. Just send the answers. No problem.
All right. I'm gonna get my phone. I'll take a screenshot and I'll show it to you.
Okay. So, guys, why we study the prime numbers? Why? Because we use the prime numbers to calculate the LCM and GCF. The LCM is the lowest common multiple. GCF, the greatest common factor. Okay, so we use the prime numbers to factorize the numbers. Okay, how can we factorize any number? We have two ways to do this. Two ways. The three-way and the column way. Three-way, like here, if you have 48, Zina,
Yes.
can you give me two numbers where the product of them is 48?
Yes, sure. 48 divided by 4, so no, 12 times 4.
12, 12
Times 4.
multiply
Yeah.
4. Nice. And 12,
3 times 4.
3 times 4. So guys, we factorize, we simplify, we make it simple. And 4
4, 2 times 2.
and 3,
We can't simplify.
3 is a prime number, so we cannot, we circle it.
Yeah.
And 4
2 times 2.
and 2,
It's a prime number.
2 is a prime number, so we circle them. So 48 is
2
2
to the power of 4 times 3.
times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. But mister, can I write it like this as Zena said, 2 to the power of 4, because we have 4 2's, multiply 3? Yes, correct. Okay, guys? That is the prime factors of 48. And this is a three-way. Okay, now the column way is like this. I write here 48, and then you start dividing by a prime number. Use any prime number that you can divide by 48, like 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So you start with the number and you end up with 1. Okay? Which method do you prefer? The tree way or the column way? It doesn't matter. Use the way you feel comfortable to use. It's up to you. But please give me the correct answer. Okay? I hope you understand. Now, you'll do the same. Now, your question, express 36 as a prime factors. Please take 5 minutes, so you have to finish before 10 and 15.
Three is a common factor of 9. Is this the question?
No, here is the question. Express
You are right.
express 36 as a product of prime factors. You're gonna do the same, but instead of 48, use 36. Okay, okay, guys. Omar, focus with me. Okay, I will do it quickly. Like here, as a column, I will use your way, the column way, no problem. So 36 divided by 2 is 18, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. Here is your mistake. You divide by 2. You cannot divide 9 by 2, Ya Omar. You divide 9 by 3. 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So it is 2 power 2 times 3 power 2. Okay, Omar, you got it?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now, after we understand how to factorize, now let's do a complex question to find the HCF, the highest common factor. Read, Ya Khalid. Read this question.
Find the HCF of 24 and 60.
HCF stands for what?
Highest common factor.
The highest common factor. The highest common factor of 24 and 60. Actually, first step is you have to factorize each number like this. "24 divided by 2, 12, 12 divided by 2, 6, 6 divided by 2, 3, then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then you factorize 60. And 60 divided by 2, 30, divided by 2, 15, divided by 2. Oh, I cannot divide 15 by 2. Use 3. Thank you. 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 divided by 3. I cannot divide 5 by 3. Divide 5 by 5. So I will divide 5 by 5 is 1. After you factorize each number, you write the number
Should
as
be,
it's
Should be 3, right?
which one is 3? You mean
The highest common
F?
factor. Yes, the highest common factor.
Let's see. Is it 3 or not 3? I will write 24 here and 60 here. And HCF here. 24 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Then
Is it 30?
again
Is it 30?
20,
30.
30. Let's see. And 60 will be 2 multiply 2. Here 2, yes. Don't write here anything. Don't write here anything. Okay? Guys, focus here. Please focus here. Here is 2. So don't write here anything because I don't have any 2's here. Okay? I will write 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Then you choose the common numbers only. The common numbers only. Like here, I write here 2. I have here 2 and 2. I write only 2. Here 2 and 2. I write only 2. Here 2, only 1, 2. Don't write it. 3 and 3, use 3. Here 5 alone, don't write it. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 3, 12. So the HCF is 12. Again, you write 24 as factors, 60 as factors, and then you start write each number as prime factors, and 24 down 60 like this, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And here don't write anything, leave it. Here also leave it. And 2 and 2, write only 1, 2. Here also use only 1, 2. And from 3 and 3, I write only 1, 3. And we're done. Finish. Please write. You have to write the answers. You finish. You finish, guys?
Not yet. I'm almost done though.
So finish writing this.
Yes?
Okay.
You have to write. Finish. Huh? Done?
I had finished.
Oh, me too.
Yes, you done?
Yes.
Okay. Let's solve another example to understand more, okay? And please copy with me. Find the HCF of 36 and 24. Well, I will, first step, what should I do? I factorize 36 and 24, yes?
Yes.
And 36 divided by 2 is 18, divided by 2 is 9, divided by 3 is 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1. After that, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Divide by 2, 6. Divide by 2, 3. Divide by 3, 1. Okay? After that, you write here 36 and 24. And 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 multiply 3. And 24 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 2. And please pay attention here, because if you notice here, I don't write any numbers down 3 here because I don't have more 3's here. So you leave it here. You leave it. And here also you don't write anything. Okay? So here you write 1, 2. And from here you choose 1, 2. And from here you choose 1, 3. And here the HCF will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, and 2 multiply 2 is 4 multiply 3 is 12. So the HCF is 12. Huh? You got it, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have a question for you. Find the HCF of 50 and 60. Omar, you done?
Not yet. I'm almost done though.
Anyways, time is over, Omar. You please send to me after the session, okay?
Okay.
Let's complete. So, LCM. Zena,
Yes.
LCM stands for what?
Lowest common factor. Lowest common multiple, sorry.
Yes, the lowest common multiple. We're gonna do the same, factorize each number, and you write the two factors down each other, but in the LCM, you write everything. You write everything. Like, let's do it quickly, so, because it is the same, I factorize 6 and factorize 8. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. It's easy to multiply 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 6 is 2 multiply 3. And 8 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Omar,
Yes.
why here I don't write 2 here, down 3? Because they are different, okay? You have to write the similar factors down each other. I cannot
Oh,
write two
okay, I
different
see it now.
numbers down each other, okay?
Okay.
Nice. So in LCM, you write all the factors. Write all the factors. So it will be 2 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. It means I write all the factors, okay? So
Okay.
2 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 3 is 6. 2 multiply 2 is 4. 6 multiply 4 is 24. So the LCM, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Is it difficult?
Not at all.
Good. Now it's your turn now. Find LCM of find the LCM of 12 and 14. Omar, you done?
Yes.
Okay, can you send it?
Of course. Here, I sent it. Do you see it?
Yes, correct, Omar. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys. Next, we have the rational numbers. Basically, the rational numbers are either fraction or decimals. Okay? So any fraction or decimal, I called it a rational number. Okay? Am I clear? So the rational number is either fraction or decimal or a mixed number. Okay? We have a recurring decimal. A recurring decimal. A recurring decimal, which is repeating itself all the time and forever to infinity. Like if you write like this, 0.666 like this, forever, which is 2 out of 3. Okay? So this is a recurring decimal. Like here, if you write like this, 0.3333 forever, it is 1 out of 3. Okay? So any number, you can write it as a fraction or as a decimal or as a mixed number. We name it rational number. Rational number. Otherwise, it will be irrational number. Okay? What does it mean? It means I cannot write it as a fraction. Okay? Can you try this in your calculator? You have a calculator now. Can you try this? Root 11. Root 11 equals what? If I try, I have one here, my calculator. If I type here root 11 and I see what is going on. Root 11, it is 3.31662479. So I cannot write it as a fraction. I cannot write it as a fraction. So this is a rational number. Zena?
Yes.
Can you tell me the difference between the rational and irrational number?
Rational number are whole numbers.
Or what?
Whole numbers, and they can be expressed in a fraction.
As a fraction. So irrational is a fraction.
Yeah.
Fraction. Okay?
Irrational number
Or
is,
decimal. Fraction or decimal.
yeah.
Okay?
Irrational number can be expressed like
I cannot
roots,
write it
or
as
it's a
fraction.
part. Yeah, we
Like
can.
square root of 5, square root of 7, cube root of 13, and whatever.
Yeah.
Okay? Any questions here?
No.
Okay. Real numbers is all the numbers. Real numbers are a whole integers, rational, irrational. Any number is a real number. A real number is the family of all the numbers. Now I give you a question now. This task 2, take 5 minutes. You have to finish before 10:50. Try to solve these questions, okay? Omar, you done?
I bet I was halfway. Is the time finished?
Okay, just follow with me, okay? Like here, guys, an odd prime number. Like here, you need first to find the answer. Here is 2. Here is 5. Here is 6. Here is 12. So, an odd prime number. Odd prime number is root 25. It's better to write the original number, not the answer. 2 factors of 24 is 6 and 2, means root 4 and root 36. An irrational number, root 15. A multiple of 4 يا خالد, the multiple bigger than the original number. So the multiple of 4 is root 144. Okay, guys? I wish you enjoyed the session. I wish you like it, and I wish that you understand 100%, and you got all the information from the session today. Do you have any questions?
No.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay. Thank you for listening, participating. Have a nice night, and see you inshallah next session. And Assalamu alaikum.